Hi there! Podcasts have exploded in popularity and they are more than just entertainment. They are a unique way to share your brand story, reach new audiences, and build authority. So, today we'll go over what podcasts are, why they matter for PR, and how to make them work for your strategy. Now, if you're unfamiliar with them, a podcast is a digital audio show you can listen to on demand, usually in episodes. You can find them on YouTube, Spotify, different platforms. They range from short 10-minute tip shows to hour long deep dives or interviews with industry experts. For example, a marketing podcast might interview PR professionals about recent campaigns, while a tech podcast might explore emerging tools or trends. Now, the different types of podcasts you might encounter if you are researching them. So, first up, you've got the interview style. This is where the host talks to guests to share insights or stories. Then you've got the solo monologue. This is where one person shares tips, experiences, or commentary. And then there's also the panel discussion. This has multiple voices discussing a topic or debate. For example, you might be invited as a guest on an interview style podcast to discuss a product launch or industry trend. So, why is it valuable for PR? Podcasts let you tell your story in personal, authentic ways that's harder to achieve with a press release or articles. They build credibility and trust because listeners connect with voices and stories rather than just text. For example, sharing a behind the scenes story of your campaign on a podcast can make your brand more relatable and memorable. Now, this is for the audience, but it can also work for future clients. Let's say there's a brand who wants to work with you and they see you on the podcast, it might make them more eager to reach out to you, to connect with you, and then partner on different projects or campaigns. Now, speaking of connecting, how to connect with podcasts or channels. So you can research different shows or podcasts which cover topics relevant to your industry or your audience. Reach out with a clear, concise pitch that explains what value you can bring to the audience. So, for example, emailing a marketing podcast host with an idea for a case study or insight you can share on their show. So it has to interest the host, it has to interest the channel, but at the same time, it should be of interest to the audience as well. So how podcasts fit into your PR strategy? Well, they complement other PR efforts by giving you a conversational space to share stories. They can amplify launches, thought leadership, or insights while creating content that can be shared across social media and your own channels. For example, after appearing on a podcast, you can repurpose clips for LinkedIn posts or embed the episode on your website. Now, here are just a couple of tips for using podcasts. So, focus on sharing insights, stories, or tips, not just promoting your brand. It has to be relevant but also have value to the audience. So prepare talking points, but stay natural and conversational. So you can have some kind of script that can help you in knowing exactly what you want to say, but you don't want it to be robotic. So if the host might ask a question that is not on your list, you don't want to get stuck. So it should still be able to flow. And then understand the podcast audience and tailor that to your message. For example, on a tech podcast, explain how a new tool solves a real problem instead of just listing its features. And then a couple of common mistakes to avoid. So, being overly promotional. So, listeners tune in for value, not for ads. And then showing up unprepared or off topic, this can hurt credibility. And then keep in mind, you are also on another host channel or another brand's channel, so you don't want to hurt their credibility either. So make sure that you stay on topic. Ignoring the show's style or audience's expectations. So the show, they would have guidelines. So make sure that you are aware of all of that before you go onto the show, before the taping. For example, talking only about your own wins on a podcast that focuses on industry insights can turn listeners off. Like we mentioned, they are there for the value. So, podcasts are a versatile PR tool. They help you tell your story in a human, memorable way, reach audiences, and establish credibility. So, use them thoughtfully, and they can become a long term part of your PR strategy.